Steve Cooper's 2004 Lightning Sonic Blue. It is one of the best looking cars around. It's got a 25.2 chassis, funny car cage, double rail chrome moly. The cab is steel, tailgate steel. The whole front clip is fiberglass, doors are fiberglass, rear panels are fiberglass composite. The glass is Percy speed glass, and the whole truck weighs 2,820 pounds, 2,820. Wheels are Billet Bogart, brakes are Lamb, struts are Santa, the rear end is Duco, ceramic bearings, steering is Stiletto rack and pinion. The chassis build is by Chassis Design in Castro Valley, California. Danny Friese did it. Also built all of Monty Bernie's Pro Mods, and it was completed in 2010. The electronics in this truck, all Motec. Motec 8000 computer, Motec E8 XX expansion CPU, Motel Sport Dash, Motec Shift Light, and Motec sensors, wideband EGT, traction control, temperature, pressure, etc., shocks, drive shaft, the whole deal, all Motec electronics. Wiring harness, all done by James Lynn, all aluminum aircraft wire and aircraft connectors. We have the complete wiring schematics. Between the Motec electronics and wiring, there's $30,000 investment alone. Nothing but the best. The engine is a 5.4 Ford GT dry sump aluminum block, Ford GT heads, 16 injectors built by John Mahovitz and AccuFab. John will have all the specs. Whipple twin screws, 3.4L blower, headers are stainless, custom, Cook's mufflers. The rest of the exhaust is polished stainless. Between the supercharger to the oil pan, there is a $50,000 investment. Nothing but the best. The transmission is a Rossler 3-speed. Shifter's precision performance and can be air operated. Has all the required safety equipment, bell housing, tranny shield, fire systems in engine bay and in cab, parachute, window nets, belts, everything. Peterson water pump. This truck is barely broken in. Attended one event in Kansas City, Lightning Nationals, 4 events in Vegas at the Streetcar Super Nationals, 4 events at Fontana, and 1 event at Pomona at the World Finals. Ran an 860 index class, very conservative tune, timing around 12 degrees with 16 pounds of boost, and the supercharger alone is capable of over 20. The best time so far, just playing with it, is 828 at 162. This truck is capable of running in the high 7s. The Pro Mod and renowned turbocharger door slammer racer John Mahovitz was behind the wheel of this really sharp-looking Lightning, owned by Steve Cooper from San Francisco, and regularly competes in Super Street class, which runs on an 860 index. This truck is for sale. It is seriously for sale. You're going to have to touch base with Steve Cooper on it. But I think Steve is a little flexible. I think he will, if you have your own engine and trans, we can pull that stuff out at the same time. You can have John Mahovitz build a different engine than the one that's in it if you want naturally aspirated. Whatever you want. Give Steve Cooper a call, and this truck can be yours. It's a once-in-a-lifetime truck, and you can be the proud owner.